Hello there, welcome to my channel TagITfriend. I am Mohan Kumar Mahakot and we are going to see today 15 top networking commands. So let's jump in without any delay. I have opened this already, so I can start immediately and we'll try to make this video short. So the first command would be ipconfig, and this will show your IP address. So this is my IP address for Wi-Fi, right? And if we'll try slash all, it will show all the commands related to all driver like Ethernet, Wi-Fi or the virtual Ethernet, everything it will show. Next one would be same related to excuse me, IP config release, right? So it will release and it will pick new IP. For that we need to type ipconfig/renew. Okay, as it's my private connection, so it may not work, but definitely it will work inside the organization. Okay, so we have done with ipconfig. Next we'll try ping. This is the command. We can know if our internet is working or not, or we can do communication or not. So I just ping to the DNS IP, like global DNS IP, and I'm getting response of time 73 millisecond, 69 millisecond, 69 millisecond, 70 millisecond, right? Similarly, I'll ping to my 192.168.31.1. This is my gateway, and I'm getting ping from my gateway as well, right? Number 3, we have net start. This shows your network status. So have multiple. Okay, yeah, you can see you have multiple network status established, time to wait, right? And some of them are closed. So all protocol are related to the TCP. You can see if we type net start -n, it will give some brief description about all the IPs, right? It shows IPv6 as well. And we have net start -a to check the listening, status of listening established, what it is doing. We can check the status. So network engineer must understand these things, and these are the basic. Before jumping to switching and routing, you should know how does this thing works. Okay, next we have number 4, ARP. So ARP display modifies the IP to physical address translation table used by address resolution protocol ARP. Okay, so we'll try ARP -a, and you can see it's showing the internet address, which is IP address, physical address, and type, like it's dynamic or static address, right? Next we have path ping. So usage of this get host list, maximum hop addresses, and some prior number queries. So We'll check. So path ping, we'll try google.com. It's like same as traceroute, which is desert command, but it is used for locate the spots that have network latency or network losses. Okay, so next move on to desert itself. Okay, now we can see the difference between path ping and desert. Both are having different, but this both work the same way, we can say, right? Let's move to number 7, NS lookup. We'll try the same address, google.com. Okay, so we do have address of IPv6 and IPv4 as well, you can see. So it's just converted the address to IP. Next we have number 8, which is route. This is a little bit different than the others. So you can see we have route and we have multiple option along with that. So we can try one by one. It's having multiple option. So it says manipulates network routing tables, so you can play with your routing tables, right? Let's move on to next one, nbstat, nbtstat. Yeah, so nbt starts, this is to check the net BIOS name. So it will work over the TCP IP, and the connection type is also TCP IP. So we'll try pen. So what it says different type of IP address and Bluetooth network as well, local area connection. So it shows for -n, it shows the BIOS name. Task list. Okay, so like going to task manager, we can see the multiple tasks, whatever running in your system you can check, and you can kill any of the task by typing. I will show it. So multiple services are there. Let's try task kill, and we need to type the PID. Try to kill. What you have, notepad? Okay, so I'll try to kill the notepad which I have opened earlier. So this is 128.64. 1 128.64. Let's see if the task is exist or not. So you can see it's gone, and you can see here as well it's gone, right? Next we have number 11, net search, and this is to change the context of network details, right? So you need to go inside, and you can have this multiple option with you, like firewall is there, interface, IPsec, trace is there, the most known command I'm telling you, WLAN. So this will change the context. So you don't have anything in the network, so let's move to another one. Number 12, net view. So this is to view the connected devices in one network, which I do not have currently, so it's showing nothing. Okay. Similar way, number 13, we have net share. It shows whatever we are sharing our network, like printers or scanners or other things. If we are having any share path as well, so it will reflect here. Okay. Next, move to number 13 you have done. Number 14, this one is a basic command for multiple things to know, like your memory, your CPU, your BIOS, like whatever the small things required to, small or big things you can say, required to run the computer, those details you can find here. Okay, so you got it. So user did not work, maybe that is not related to, or we did not type the correct command. So if we type BIOS, WMIC BIOS, you can see it's giving all the version details of the BIOS which is installed inside the system, right? You can play with more with WMIC by searching the commands. Let's move to the last one, number 15, MS Info 32. So you can check all your details related to hardware, components, software. So my BIOS version is 2013, and you can see multiple details like Hyper-V option is there or not, right? So we have done with all 15 commands. Maybe I was not able to show you some practical related to 2 or 3 commands. So I just wanted to make this video short, so you can just play with by searching help or typing question mark to get more details. So if you like the video, please hit like button, share to your friends, or share to the people who needs to know these commands. And if you're first time watching this video, please subscribe for more videos like this. And if possible, just put some comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching.